Hi, I'm Elliot, and I'm here to tell you that Ruby is proudly manufacturing the Delta level system directly in the United States of America. And this is really exciting because it's the first product that we're going to be producing directly in the USA, and we're going to be doing this with more products in the near future. Because at Ruby, we're proud to produce quality products for quality people close to home. You'll also be excited to note that we have a new and improved design for the Delta wedges, and there's 2 new sizes for the Delta clips for tiles of 1/8 of an inch and 1/16 of an inch thick.